This in-service video will provide you with basic instructions on manipulation of the Endo linear cutter staplers from Panther Healthcare. For more information, please refer to the instructions for use included in the package. Description: highly optimized Endo stapler handle. Reload lock button. Articulation lever. Green security button. Handle. Returning knob. Reload. Indicating arrow. Lower clamp button. End of cut line. End of staple line. Method of operation. Open the packaging and take out the stapler. Ensure that the load alignment indicator on the RU aligns with the load alignment indicator on the shaft. Push the RU inside and twist clockwise 45 degrees relative to the instrument. A click sound will inform us that both parts are correctly assembled. Warning: do not remove the yellow cover until you correctly load the RU. Take off the yellow cover. Squeeze the handle to close RU jaws. Pull the returning knob to open the jaw. Confirm if the reload has been placed right. If the jaw couldn't be closed or opened, the reload hasn't been loaded correctly. Squeeze the handle. Close RU jaws. Insert Endo linear cutter stapler into trocar sleeve. Pull the black returning knob at the tail of instrument and open the jaw. Adjust the articulation lever to make the jaw bend to left or right. Apply the stapler across the tissue to be transected. Squeeze the handle to close the jaw. The green security button must be pushed before the surgeon starts to fire. Squeeze the handle continuously until the reload reaches the top of the instrument. Panther Endo compress the tissue gradually, meanwhile firing. Pull the returning knob to the tail of the instrument to open the jaw. Squeeze the handle, close the jaw, and take out the instrument through the trocar. Pull the returning knob to the tail of the instrument, open the jaw, push the reload locking button. Rotate the reload and unload the reload from the instrument. Warning: if the returning knob is not completely placed in its fullback position, the jaw will keep closing and the reload couldn't be taken out. Take out a new reload. Load it into the stapler according to the previous steps. Warning: confirm the black returning knob is completely placed in its fullback position. Warning: do not remove the yellow cover until you correctly load the new RU. Features and benefits. 3 types of Panther Endo linear cutter stapler handles, respectively applied for open surgery, laparoscopic surgery, and bariatric surgery. Universal handle for all reloading units. 2 types of reloads for Panther Endo linear cutter stapler, straight and articulate. Staple lengths include 30 mm, 45 mm, 60 mm. Staple heights include 2.5 mm, 3.5 mm, 4.2 mm, 4.8 mm, 5.0 mm. Special beaked reload units apply well in pulmonary surgery to cut the vessels deeply hidden in the tissues. Reloading units with articulating function in both directions for easier access in challenging applications. 30% improved firing structure to lower 30% in the firing power.